my home. This is our living room. Dito kami tumatanggap ng mga bisita. This is our kitchen. Dito kami nagluluto ni Nanay. This is our dining room. Dito kami kumakain. This is our bathroom. Maliligo na ako. And this is my bedroom. Inaantok na ako. Good night. Alam mo, Porfirio, bagay na bagay sa'yo. Lalo kung pumuputi.
Oh?
Oo.
Ikaw din ikaw.
Porfirio? Joanne? Nasaan na kayo? Where are you? Joanne, where are you? I'm in the kitchen. Tito Luis, where are you?
I'm in the kitchen.
Porfirio, where are you?
I'm in the kitchen.
We are in the kitchen.
Hi, Mary Grace.
Hi, Mary Grace.
Nandito lang pala kayo. Tingnan niyo po, may dala akong juice para sa atin.
Uy!
Yay!
Read it!